Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have a really cool application slash game to show you guys. And what this app lets you do is it lets you earn Bitcoin and other different cryptocurrencies by playing a simple, easy, and fun game. But before I show you guys this app, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the app I want to show you guys today is called Rover, and I'll be putting a download link in the description below, so make sure to check that out and download the app. So here you can see the different cryptocurrencies that they offer and the amount that you currently have. So you can see they have a really wide selection of cryptocurrencies, and you can also see the percent change of the cryptocurrency. And now over here you can see that there are different upgrades that you can do. You can get more health, for example, more fuel, and I'll explain what those do later on in the video when I show you the actual gameplay. And yeah, if you just keep on going down, you can see there's like storage and level resets, ad scramblers, and so on. So these are really useful upgrades, and I'd highly recommend that you get them because they do help you get more Bitcoin, more cryptocurrency faster. And here's the About page. You can see again, this app is by the company Apps That Pay, which is a really good application making company, in my opinion. So yeah, now let's go start the game. So if you click on mine, you can see here that you're going to be brought to this game. And in the top left, you can see how much Bitcoin you have, and you can get more by playing it. So let me just show you guys this. You can go down, you can go left. There's like a little, arrow key thing on the bottom right, and just keep on pressing it and just get the rewards you can see right there. So you can see here, we got some gold and we also got some treasure. And now our Bitcoin goes up each time we pick these things up. And you want to avoid these landmines right there. You can see I just hit a landmine because it'll lower your health. And if you look up at the top of the screen, you can see there is a health bar. And with that bar, you don't want it to go to 0 because obviously it will end the game. So yeah, what you do here, you just can keep on going, and you can keep on collecting more and more gold, which then will lead to more Bitcoin for you. So it's very easy, very straightforward, as I said. And yeah, you can see here, I'll just keep on going, and now eventually you'll run out of fuel and you have to return to the surface. So what you do there, you tap on the top right corner, there's a little like arrow button there, and it'll bring you back up and you can restart again. So yeah, now let's go back into the menu, and you can see here that these upgrades will allow you to mine more and faster. So for example, if you don't want to run out of fuel so quickly, you can click on more fuel and upgrade it. Or you can get more health so that if you hit the landmines, then you won't take as much damage in proportion to your health. You can also get more storage, so you can hold more gold in your storage area. And yeah, like I said, those are really useful. They really help a lot. And you can now see here, if we go into the research section, they just give different facts about all of the cryptocurrencies that they offer in their application. So for example, there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, and you can see there's a lot. There's also Monero, for example. And the way you access these cryptocurrencies is you keep on going lower and lower with your little cart thing, with your drill. So they also have Dogecoin, if you're into that. I know that was a big meme back in, 2015? I don't know anymore. It's been a while. But yeah, if you just keep on going lower and lower, you can reach these different cryptocurrencies. So the first level is Bitcoin, and if you go one level lower than that, then you will hit the Ethereum. So I will show you guys that later on in the video. And now you can see here also in the bottom right corner, they do have a special offer for gems. So like I said, I personally think that these upgrades are very useful. Obviously, if you don't want to, or if you don't have the money to, you don't have to buy it. You can play the game without buying the upgrades, but they are very helpful, I think. And I've used them, and they help prolong the game and also make me more money overall in the long run, because then you can get more gold and more Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency faster. And now you can see here, once again, back into this cash page, they do have all the different cryptocurrencies and also their change, percent change in price in the market. And you can also see your total amount that you've collected from the game itself. So if you want to keep track of that, just go to the cash section. And now I just want to go through another game, another run through of the game. So once again, every time you break through, what is it, the rock, I guess, you earn Bitcoin. And then whenever you hit this gold, these little gold pockets, then you also earn some more Bitcoin. So you just keep on earning as long as you're drilling through anything. So if you're drilling through the rock, if you drill through one of the little gold right there, then you still earn, you're still going to earn Bitcoin. And now once again, like I said, you want to avoid the landmines. Those are like the little green circles with like the red dots, because when you hit those, it'll drop your health. So make sure you don't run into them. Just avoid them, go the other direction like I'm doing here, and you'll be good. And then the only thing you're going to have to watch out for is also your health, or sorry, your fuel, which is in the left corner. And if you want to reset, just tap that button and it'll bring you back up top. So then you will reset your fuel, you'll reset your health, but obviously you're going to have to start over again from the top. But I mean, overall, it's, like I said, very simple game. It's also pretty fun too, honestly, like trying to avoid everything, trying to make sure you're keeping your health up and trying to balance your fuel level can be really cool. And also, like I said, when you get the upgrades, you're also going to be able to go for longer, because then you won't run out of fuel as fast, or you won't run out of health as quickly. And once again, like I said here, if you hit one of those mines, then you will lose health, unfortunately. So just avoid it at all costs. And yeah, you can just keep on watching. On the top left, you can see that the Bitcoin amount is increasing constantly as I keep on drilling through this rock, because gold corresponds to cryptocurrency. So yeah, now once again, you can see here I'm out of fuel. If I had the upgrade, if I was able to upgrade my fuel, then I would be able to go for longer without running out so quickly. And now what I want to do here is I want to show you how to get Ethereum. So like I said, just go all the way down to the next level, because Ethereum is on level 2, whereas Bitcoin is level 1. So if you just want to get Bitcoin, stay on level 1, because then you're set, because that's where all the Bitcoin is. But if you want to get more, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go even lower, and it'll become a different color, so you can easily tell when you're on the next level. And also the Bitcoin in the top left will change. It'll say Ethereum once you are able to hit that next level. So you can see here the color has now changed, and now if you look in the top left corner of my screen, you can see that it now says Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. And yeah, so that's how you get Ethereum. Now that was a bit short, so let me go back one more time so you can see more clearly the Ethereum level. But the basic gist of it is, as you go lower, you're going to reach different cryptocurrencies that you can then collect as well, and they'll store them separately. So anything you earn on the second level will be stored in the Ethereum storage box, whereas anything you earn on the first level will be stored in the Bitcoin storage area, so to speak. So now you can see here in the top left corner, instead of earning Bitcoin, I am earning Ethereum, and it seems like I'm earning Ethereum at a faster rate. I'm not sure exactly how the rates are decided, but like I said, if you want Ethereum, go down. If you want whatever else, if you want Dogecoin, you have to keep on going even lower. But the problem is you have to watch your fuel. So like I said, if you want to go like really, really low, you might need to get one of the upgrades, because then it'll enable you to go faster. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this app, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.